Good morning, everybody. Kenny Beck live in Greensboro. The Gallimore Dairy Road overpass, as if on cue. This story has behaved very TV-friendly for us today. Traffic moving once again, at the very least, in the eastbound direction. I would imagine we'll begin to see it coming in the westbound direction as well. This road had been blocked off for hours and hours, basically since before dawn, because of a massive, massive fire at a gasoline tank. We have some unbelievable images from before. This is a Colonial Pipelines gas tank that had, at its height, 840,000 gallons, or the equivalent of 20,000 barrels inside of it. It was burning unbelievably hot when we arrived before the sun was up. The idea being Greensboro Fire Department and a number of other cooperating agencies did several things in an effort to try to get this thing contained. They attacked it from two different directions. They threw a flame retardant foam on the top of it, which deprived it of oxygen, and at the same time they dripped it dry out from the bottom as the sun began to come up. As if on cue, the flames went down and the smoke went down. An unbelievable story. There was real concern that this could be a situation that we've been following for hours and hours, but it appears, as folks are perhaps just waking up to head to Sunday church right now, there has, in the words of Assistant Chief David Douglas, a little bit of divine intervention here this Sunday morning. Taking a live look at traffic again, we can clearly see I-40 in both directions moving perfectly smooth, as if nothing had happened, perhaps just a little bit of rubbernecking as people look over at a tanker, a giant gas tanker that is basically nothing more than charred metal and steel at this point. But this certainly appears to be a story that has just about reached its conclusion. We will have much more coverage throughout the morning online at WXI12.com.